Good morning friends. Today we are going to make ambuli pachadi, also called raw mango spicy salad. For this we are using totapuri raw mango. For this we will need chopped raw mango, salt, chili powder and coconut oil. In a mixing bowl add chopped mangoes, salt, chili powder and coconut oil. Mix well. Our raw mango spicy salad is ready. Thank you.